In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the TradingView chart freezing, lagging, or not updating in real time. This is a common issue and we will show you simple, proven fixes to get TradingView running smoothly again. Let's begin. Now the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and hover to the products and click the super charts. Now, if in any case your TradingView chart is freezing, it's not updating in real time, one fix that you can do is go to the intervals. Here on the top left corner, right here. You want to make sure that the intervals is not set to a week, a month, or so. Okay, so you might want to make it a little bit shorter, like say for example a minute, 45 seconds. So in this case, we're gonna try 1 second. Here, okay, and that should fix the problem. But if you see the data is not updating in real time right here in the right side, you want to make sure to toggle that into A so that it auto fits the data into screen. Or you also can use the logarithmic if you wanted, because this will create and avoid the chart freezing or lagging or not updating in real time. Now another most common fix is just press F5 or the function 5 in your computer to see if that works. Okay, now if you are using a VPN, you might want to disable that for now, because a VPN or a proxy can interfere with the connection and that could potentially affect the chart freezing. And if you wanted, you can also clear the browser cache and cookies. And then you make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, okay? Because switching to a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection helps. TradingView relies on real-time data. Slow internet equals frozen charts right here. And basically that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next one.